Today we went into some of the areas in western Kathmandu. One of the interesting things that I've found since I've been here is you'll have sections of the city that seem untouched, and then the areas like we're in today where some of the highest degree of destruction that they've seen. We had some reports of injured animals in the area. We ended up finding a dog with a very bad limp. We found out the dog's name was Kali. We met Kali's owner. Luckily, Kali's owner's house was okay, but Kali had gotten injured in the earthquake and had broken her leg very severely and needed treatment. So right now the vets have just treated the wound, and we're going to take the dog in so they can have its right rear leg x-rayed. So, and then vets will figure out what to do from there.
Probably going to need surgery. It's fixable if we have the resources.
So the vets are looking over Kali right now. They're going to try to stabilize the leg, give her pain medications to make her more comfortable, and then tomorrow hopefully they'll be able to treat the leg and get her on a road to recovery.